Health benefits of an organic vegetable garden. Welcome to this tutorial on the health benefits of cultivating an organic vegetable garden. Reduce exposure to chemicals. Organic gardens help limit exposure to harmful chemicals found in conventional pesticides and herbicides. Nutrient-rich produce. Organically grown vegetables offer higher nutrient content, enhancing your overall well-being. Pesticide-free food. By avoiding chemical pesticides, you ensure the food you consume is free from harmful residue. Greater antioxidant activity. Organic vegetables are shown to have higher levels of antioxidants, which protect against diseases and support cell health. Boost your immune system. Organic gardens contribute to a stronger immune system by providing diverse nutrient profiles necessary for optimal health. Enhanced flavor and taste. Organically grown produce often offers superior flavors and taste, making your meals more enjoyable. Environmental benefits. Organic gardening promotes sustainable practices, conserves water, and encourages biodiversity. Lower risk of obesity. Eating fresh, organic vegetables can help maintain a healthy weight, reducing the risk of obesity-related health issues. Promotes mental well-being. Gardening has been linked to reduced stress levels, improved mood, and enhanced mental well-being. Cost savings. Growing your own organic vegetables can save you money on grocery bills while ensuring a continuous supply of fresh produce. Better soil quality. Organic gardening methods improve soil quality, promoting beneficial microorganisms and reducing erosion. Fewer food safety concerns. With organic gardening, you have greater control over the safety and hygiene of your food, reducing the risk of contamination. Engaging physical activity. Maintaining an organic garden promotes exercise, helping you stay active and fit. Connect with nature. Gardening allows you to reconnect with nature, providing a sense of tranquility and opportunities for mindfulness. Teach sustainable habits. By sharing the organic gardening experience, you can educate others on sustainable practices and their health benefits. Access to fresh food year-round. With proper planning and preservation techniques, you can enjoy fresh organic produce throughout the year. Conclusion: cultivating an organic vegetable garden offers numerous health benefits, from reduced exposure to chemicals to improved mental well-being. Start your organic garden today. Now that you understand the health benefits, it's time to dig in and create your own organic vegetable garden. Enjoy the rewards of healthier, tastier food and a greener lifestyle.